Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, May 8th. It is almost 7:30, and today we have someone's a 6-month appointment today, huh, Papa? Yeah? Yeah, we gotta go see your doctor. Say hi. Hi. Hey. All right, he wants out. That is his new activity table. It's from Skip Hop. But yeah, I'm so excited for today's appointment. He is 6 months, so we're definitely going to be talking about starting him on solids. So yeah, I think you're going to get some shots today. Yeah, yeah, not excited about that. But I have to see if they're going to give them to him because he's still congested. So I'm going to talk to her about that too. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead, get him out, get him changed, nurse him one more time before we head out. And I'll see you guys there. You ready, Papa? You ready? You got scared when you saw the nurse. You already know. So
Did you take one?
Yes.
Oh.
He's so smart. Yeah. You know when that nurse comes in, it's shot time. Oh, I know. I'm sorry. Okay, guys. So we've been back home for quite a while already. It's just he was super tired after his doctor's appointment. So I nursed him, changed him, nursed him, and he went down for quite a long nap. That tends to happen whenever he has his injections. He's just kind of a little bit more sleepy for the rest of the day. But he's up now. Say hello, Papas. And in case you can't tell, he had an outfit change already because this little man had a little blowout. Didn't you, Papa? You went to poopies, huh? Yeah. Yeah. So his appointment went well. We talked about food, which I'm so excited. She gave the okay. We did want to wait till he was 6 months. I know you can start them as early as 4, but being that he was born a whole month early, we decided to actually just wait until he was 6 months. My husband and I want to start him off with avocado, and she felt that that was a good item to start off with. So this weekend we should be able to and get him started with that. I'm super excited. I hope he likes it. I know a lot of people say that you should start with veggies just because fruits are sweet, and from what I've read, it doesn't really matter, especially for a breastfed baby, because breast milk is generally sweet anyways, so it doesn't really matter if you start them off with fruits or veggies. They kind of have a sweet tooth already just off the bat, simply because, like I said, breast milk has a bit of a sweet taste to it already. So while he's in his activity table, I'm actually going to open up his high chair. I ordered it on the 7th from Bye Bye Baby. It is the Baby Trend Tot Spot 3-in-1, and it arrived today. I ordered it on the 7th? I think so. 6th or 7th, one of those days. But Bye Bye Baby has some pretty fast shipping, so I'm glad it came before the weekend so that we can already go ahead and get him started. Like I said, we're starting him with avocado. So I have the high chair here, so while he's playing, I'm actually going to go ahead and open it up. That way you guys can see. Maybe you guys like it. I hope I like it. I just ordered it from what I saw on the website. And great thing about Bye Bye Baby, they always have coupons for 20% off, $10 off, $5 off, and their coupons do not expire. You just have to take them in the store. They won't take them online. But I love that because everything I get is at least 20% off. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, show you guys, and we're going to have him take a seat in it, see how he feels, and yeah. Look, you guys, he's just like, what the heck is going on? He was like this when I opened this one up. He was just like ready to like play in it. But yeah. Okay guys, so I finished setting up the high chair. Pretty easy setup, pretty sturdy. I love the colors because it's more of a gender neutral color, which is what I wanted because we do plan on having another baby, and we don't know if it's going to be a boy or a girl, so I just wanted something that she could use if it is a girl. So I'm going to show you the high chair. So this is the high chair all set up. So it's got this padding here in addition to the one that's already back there. All of this is removable, which I love, so I can definitely go ahead and wash it, which is what I was looking for. This top part does come off. I can't do it with one hand, but that'll be for like easy cleanup. And then this whole thing does come off, and you can go ahead and set it back here. I don't know if you can see these knobs right here, so you can just store it back there so you can just kind of sit in a chair. And yeah, I actually really like it, so we're gonna go ahead and have him take a seat in it and see how he feels. So there he is in his new high chair. Hi, Papas, do you like it? Yeah? Are you excited to have some food this weekend? And one more thing I forgot to mention, the seat does recline so he doesn't have to be all the way sitting straight up. There's this little lever right here. I'm not gonna push it since he's sitting in it. And then it has these little slots right here so you can recline it one more. I like where he's at right now, but then I can sit it up straighter. How do you feel, Papa? We gotta send your puppy a picture. And your grandma. Say hi, Papa. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm super happy with his high chair. We're going to go ahead and place that next to our dining table, so that he can go ahead and sit with us now. I'm so excited. Time is going by so fast. It makes me so sad, yet at the same time, I'm just so looking forward to all the new things that he's going to be learning. Food is a really big one for me. It's just, I don't know, just something about having him start on solids is just super exciting, and I really hope he's not too much of a picky eater. I don't think either one of us is all that picky. I mean, there's quite a few things I don't like, but I mean, overall, I think I'm a pretty good eater, and so is my husband. So we're super excited. Keep an eye out for that vlog because I will be vlogging that day because it's a big day, huh, Papa? It's a very big day. He seems to like his chair because he's not fussing. So, yeah. Alright guys, thank you for coming along on this vlog with us today. I will go ahead and link the high chair that I purchased in the description box down below, just in case you guys like it and would like to purchase it for your little one. But yeah, like I said, that's it for today's vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you would like to see next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!